Superglobals are variables that are built into PHP and that are always available for use. You might recall that we worked with one such variable called globals. In this example, we have a global variable z that stores the sum of variables x and y, x plus y. X is equal to 30 and y is equal to 40. We can see the global variable is accessible from outside the function, even though it was defined inside the function. So here we have echo z, and that outputs the result, which is 70. Remember, normally when a variable is declared inside a function, it's considered a local variable and cannot be accessed outside the function. So we can see that the globals variable is an exception to that rule. There's actually quite a number of built-in global variables, and it would take quite some time to go over each one. For this reason, we've provided a couple of examples in this lesson and included the remainder in your downloads folder. The first here we have the PHP server Superglobal, and this variable stores information about headers, paths, and script locations. We can see the output in our web browser here using the echo statement. The server name Superglobal returns the name of the host server. Since this script is hosted on my local machine, we see the word localhost displayed in our browser. Other commonly used superglobals include request, post, and get. We will be working with these in the lessons to follow.